Hello everyone, hey guys, hope you all are safe and doing some great activities in this lockdown, using this lockdown period. That's good. Okay, so every time I chose to do, I used to sing a song. So today I'm trying something new. Okay, I'm going to talk about the database systems. Okay, and going to show its parts, and along with the descriptions I will tell you all, I will describe along with examples also. So let's start. Okay. So actually we know that there are many top companies, like we can take it as a Facebook, Google, Amazon. Okay, so these major top companies, use database. Okay, they work under the database. मतलब हम बात ये बोल सकते हैं कि सबके सब क्या है कि database से जुड़े हुए हैं. ठीक है, तो इस point of view अगर ऐसे हम लोग देखा जाए तो most of the questions comes from the database. Okay. So अगर हम लोग इंटरव्यू के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखा जाए तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. सो गाइज आई एम गोइंग टू शो हाउ द database is divided. Okay, that all I am going to show you the figure and how it is a level diagram. I am going to show you. Hope you will be clear about that, and then I am going to explain you with the descriptions and with examples. Okay. This is a database systems हम लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Okay, database system is comprised into two terms, that is a database and another is DBMS, that is database management system. Okay, so we will talk about this two terms also. Let's see here. Database is further divided into what? Structured database and unstructured database. Okay, here the structured database has the different examples, that is IRCTC, and another is universities. We will talk about this in deeply. Okay, unstructured, it has the examples web page. Okay, now we will come to the database management system. Database management system यहाँ पे देखा जाए SQL server, Oracle, we can see this, MySQL, DB2. So this is the DBMS provided by the IBM, okay, to manage the data. So we will talk about this all deeply, okay, with descriptions and along with the examples. Okay. Yes, तो database, जैसे कि database system is comprised into two terms. We saw that database and another is database management system. So first of all we will talk about the database system. Okay, so database systems, for example, we can give as a Facebook, Flipkart. This all has its own database system. For example, as a media we can take IRCTC. IRCTC has its own big database systems. Okay, जब हम लोग IRCTC को login करते हैं, okay, when we log into IRCTC, what will happen? It will open the information about the train. Okay, train informations will be open, and then after that also IRCTC, what it contain? IRCTC contain the informations about the passenger also. Okay, कौन पैसेंजर कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहा है. Okay, which passenger is traveling to which place and how many passengers are traveling. This all information it shows to us. Okay, along with also we can say whether this contain the data about the whole populations of India. Of course not. Okay. So let's see, let's talk about the definitions. Okay, let's talk about the definitions of the database. Okay, so database का definition हम सबको पता ही है. Okay, so database is the collection of related data. Okay, so let's take the example. जैसे कि इंडियन रेलवे हुआ. ओके, सो इंडियन रेलवे का डाटा ऑफ इंडियन रेलवे एंड डाटा ऑफ इंडियन पासपोर्ट, कैन वी मिंगल इट, कैन वी क्लब इट? नो, because Indian Railway has its own data and Indian passport has its own data. We can't mingle it. Okay, इसीलिए हम लोग बोलते हैं definitions में, database के definitions में बोलते हैं कि it is a collection of related data. The word related, just circle that word related and keep it on your mind. Okay, that it's related data it is saying, so that the data of Indian Railway और data of Indian passport, वो लोग का जो data होता है वो अलग होता है, उस लोग का separately अपना अपना. Okay, so let's move towards the topic. Actually we know that database is further divided into structured database and unstructured database. So we will now talk about the structured database and unstructured database. So structured database is the database which is having the particular shape, particular structure, that is called the structured database. Okay, and unstructured database which do not have any particular shape or particular structure. We can give example for the structured database as a IRCTC and universities, because they have the proper structure. And if we will talk about the example for the unstructured database, then that is what? That is a web page we can give as an example for the unstructured database. Okay. So we will come towards this topic more clearly. So we can keep split side this. We can move towards the topic DBMS. Again, we will be back towards this topic. Okay. So let's talk about the DBMS, Database Management System. Hope you all have listened, you have heard this. So DBMS, Database Management System. Like for example, if we'll talk, if we are having a data, okay, we have many datas and we have keep that datas in we have stored that data in backend or a server or a hard drive. Okay, so what we will do, what the user will do. Of course, the user want to access that data. They will do insertion, they will do updations, they will do deletion. So this insertion, deletion, updation, these all are what? These all are called operation. Okay. So to perform this operation, we need a system. Of course, we need a system, and that system is called database management system. Okay. In other words, we can say that database management system is the operation, is the collection of operations that provides comfort to the user. Okay, so that the user can perform the operation in the database. Okay. And the important things to be noted, that is, actually the user doesn't care about where his or her data is stored. Okay, like for example, I am doing the reservation. Okay, so not care about where my data are stored, where the data is stored. Only the user is care about the operation. What is that? Insertion, deletions, updation, this all. Okay, so only the user is they only care about these operations. Okay, and now back to our topic. Here we can see it structured. Structure. If we want to store the structure, here we have given relational database management system. This is the important structure that is used in the structured database. Okay. So structure. If we want to store the data in the proper structure, that structure is called what? Relations. Okay. And this relation means table. Okay, it means it's in other words we can say that our structure means when we are storing the data, it should be in which format? Table format. Table contains the rows and columns. Okay, this should be in full structured manner. Actually, the thing is that the table is technically called as a relation. Okay, so relational database management system is fully, here the word comes, relational database management system. And if we will talk about the unstructured, so in the case of unstructured means which do not have a particular shape or particular structure, that we have heard that and we have discussed that. Okay, here in unstructured, before also we have discussed that unstructured. Yes, everybody is clear. Hope everybody is clear about it. That unstructured, we do not have the particular shape, particular structure, means it doesn't have any format. Okay. So unstructured, so that we have given the example as the web page, because web page contains the photos, videos. Does it have any does it have any format? No, of course it doesn't have any format. So that we have taken the example as a web page to web page example of unstructured database. Okay, which doesn't have any format. Hope you all are clear about this topic.